Having trouble with your 2013 Kia Sorento key fob? Common issues include intermittent failure or no response at all. Start with battery replacement using a CR2032 battery. Pry open the fob, insert the battery positive side up, and test. If battery doesn't fix it, try relearning. Get in the car, turn ignition to on, then off 5 times within 10 seconds, and press a fob button. If battery replacement and relearning don't solve the key fob problem, antenna interference or damage may be the cause. Inspect the antenna wire for corrosion or damage. If found, clean or replace it. You can also try repositioning the fob or using a signal booster. As a last resort, consider upgrading to a smartphone key feature using an aftermarket adapter, but be aware of compatibility limitations with the 2013 model. If all else fails, a professional diagnostic check is recommended, especially to rule out body control module (BCM) issues.